What's happening now? What's up, everybody? Got the crew.
What up, everybody?
Yeah, what up?
Happy Saturday.
Happy June.
Happy Sunday.
Happy
Try it.
asteroid day.
What day is it?
Yeah, try your hardest to be happy during these times. Reflect on unity, love, prosperity, togetherness, collaboration, understanding, tolerance. Try your hardest to, accept difference. It's hard. It's super hard what's going on right now. Try hardest to forgive, which seems impossible for a lot of folks that are suffering, that are hurt by the recent, pause. Oh, there we go. Try your best to have a forgiving heart, which might seem, impossible given the inhumane actions that wickedness has, done to humanity, to people of color. But the way forward is an open mind, a forgiving heart, on both sides. For all the folks that are protesting, thank you so much. For all the folks that are, breaking out of their conditioning to have an open mind, thank you so much. And all the folks that are listening to Words of Love right now, thank you. But at the same time, it saddens me all the time. People say, we need Words of Love, because that means people are doing fucked up shit again. So, peace and love to everybody. Black Eyed Peace out. Dang, App, you short back there.